All right, part two. So I've slid the front seat up, and you're going to see why you want to slide up the front seat. These bottom seat cushions fold forward. So right underneath here, we have this little tab right there. Pull that tab and the whole seat comes up and tilts. Now we can use the release at the top here, fold that down and get our flat surface. So you could do that with one side or both sides, but you do have to move that seat forward if you want them to fold down completely. We'll put that back in place. One of the things that you'll notice, the seat belts kind of fall in the hole. If your seat belt ever disappears, it's because it's hiding underneath the seat. Also, quick note about this particular one, this lever down here allows you to fold the seat completely flat. So if you're looking to carry some longer items home from Home Depot, you can fold that seat completely flat. Leave that down for now. Spent a lot more time on the exterior of this vehicle and we haven't even gotten inside yet. Before I forget, rear view camera in the back gets dirty once in a while, so just wipe it with your finger and then you'll have a nice clear picture in your rear view camera. All the doors, you'll notice, have these little silver buttons. This is your keyless access button. Push to lock, push to unlock. And again, as long as your key is within 1 meter of the vehicle, you'll be able to use that button to open and lock the vehicle. One button will unlock the driver door. A double button press will unlock all the doors. Let's hop inside. So we talked about earlier, we want to know what's important when we take this for a drive. So we're going to talk about seat adjustment, mirrors, and getting your steering wheel all set properly. So on the side, we have our mirror controls. Driver side mirror, all the way over, double click to the passenger side mirror. And then you're going to use the joystick to adjust the position of each mirror. And in the center, you can rest the line there at the 0. That way, if you bump it, you're not going to change your mirror positions. On the driver's seat, we have our power driver seat. So this is a 6-way switch, up and down, forwards and backwards. And then you can move the front part of the seat cushion up and down, and the whole seat up and down. In the front, we have our lumbar. Difficult to see in the video, but you can add pressure to your back or relieve pressure from your back. And then hiding way in the back here where the seat belt meets the seat, this is your recline. So you'll pull that up to either sit up a little more erect or to recline and be a little more laid back. Let's hop inside. So we've talked about the mirrors, we've talked about the seating position. We're going to start the vehicle. So again, key inside the car, foot on the brake, and push the start button. Now we have our vehicle running. If you are using the remote start feature, you are still going to have to put your foot on the brake and hit the start button. So if you're ever sitting in your vehicle and the power windows don't work and the radio's not working but the car's running, it's because you have not yet started the vehicle. If you're driving at nighttime, your light switch, lights are all fully automatic. So you never have to worry about turning your lights on or off. There is a sensor used in the dash right there that will automatically turn your lights on and off as needed. The steering wheel is a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. On the side here we have our lever. We'll pull that down and that's going to allow us to pull the steering wheel in and out as well as move it up and down. So you can put it in a position that's most comfortable and then pull this lever back up and lock it into place. So let me get my seat set up properly. We've gone over that. My mirrors look like they could have a little bit of an adjustment. There we go. Mirrors adjusted. Steering wheel is comfortable. Shifter. Nice thing about the Encore is it has a traditional shifter. So your shift button is in the front. Pull it all the way back into drive. And it will note that you're in drive both on the shifter as well as on your driver information center right there. Behind drive, you'll notice there's an M button for manual. Difficult to see with the shadows here. If you ever end up in manual by accident, your gears won't shift. It'll just display up here M1 and the engine will rev and rev and rev. It won't over rev because there is some protection in there. But if you find yourself in that position, it's not changing gears while driving, it's because you accidentally went in manual mode. Move it up one into drive while you're driving, and the car will pick the appropriate gear. In manual mode, if you wanted to change gears, that's what these plus and minus buttons are for up top. So we've got our mirrors set. We've started the car, seats all set. I think we've done everything we need to do in order to take the car for a drive. Hopefully you like this setup. Thanks so much for watching, and check out my other videos for some more information about the Buick Encore. Have a great day.